If you don't have big bucks to spend on a high-end drone, there are plenty of affordable alternatives. These under $100 drones earn top marks from Amazon users. So in this video we are gonna discuss 9 best top-rated drones under $100. I'm making this video in the light of my research on different websites and other resources. So let's start our top-rated 9 best drones under $100 video with your like on this video and subscribe on this channel Everyday Unique. So let's get started. Number 9. KingPow VR-RC Drone. Looking for an immersive remote flight experience? This quadcopter from KingPow not only streams live footage from the air, but it's also built to work with smartphone VR setups. Pair the drone with your phone, snap it into a headset, and you'll get an amazing view as you maneuver the drone through the air in first person. Number 8. Tozo MJXX901 Mini Hexacopter. Interestingly, this tiny copter from Tozo uses a 6-blade setup. While 4-blade models are more popular, the additional 2 blades featured here can deliver some stability in rough environments. And since it measures roughly 0.8 by 3.8 by 3.4 inches HWD, it travels extremely well. Add in the 180 mAh polymer battery and you can stay in the air for up to 7 minutes at a time. Number 7. Rabing Flying Car Quadcopter. Not content with a simple drone? Well, this awesome combo from Rabing spices things up with a 1-2 punch of RC driving and quadcopter piloting. Start off by doing some sick donuts on the ground, moments later, you can lift off. And with the bright multicolor LED lights on the body, this machine looks incredibly stylish in either mode. Number 6. Hubsan X4 Quadcopter with FPV camera. Want to get started on perfecting your aerial photography skills without spending much? This $79.99 drone from Hubsan has a flight range of about 320 feet and can stream live video to the 4.3-inch screen built into the controller. Slap in a micro SDHC card and you can record your footage locally too. Number 5. Quadcopter HD camera drone with bonus battery. As fun as drones are, some models can only keep going for a few minutes at a time. But this bundle from Copter comes with 2 rechargeable batteries to keep you in the air longer. And with a flight time of up to 15 minutes per battery, a single swap can keep the fun going for upwards of a half hour. Number 4. UFO 3000 LED Drone Quadcopter. Flying a drone is enjoyable in and of itself, but aesthetics are also important. If you're looking to put on a beautiful light show, this LED lit quadcopter is worth the asking price. Impress your friends and neighbors with mid-air tricks accented with glowing blue and green lights. Number 3. Eachine E10C Mini UFO Quadcopter Drone. While the word drone typically conjures a machine the size of a small pizza, you can find much smaller versions online. Measuring less than 2 by 4 by 4 inches, this tiny drone is small enough to rest in the palm of your hand. And since it only costs $21, this is a great, low-cost entry to the world of drones. Number 2. Cheerwing Syma X5 SWV3. This top-selling drone from Cheerwing USA is nimble, affordable, and feature-rich. Not only does the 6-axis gyro allow for highly stable flights, it also makes in-air tricks a real possibility. With some practice, you can perform 360-degree rolls while streaming a first-person view to your iOS or Android device. Number 1. Ryze Tello. The Ryze Tello is a toy quadcopter flyable via smartphone or laptop using Scratch. Its video quality isn't anything to write home about, but it's a fun tech toy and learning tool. So, these were my top 9 top-rated drones under $100. Tell me in comment which drone you liked more. All drone Amazon links are available in description. Like the video and subscribe the channel, and also set the bell icon to all to get my new videos notification. See you next.